What does a noisy AC compressor sounds like? That is a question I have been getting a lot lately. So in today's very video edition here, I'm gonna be taking you on a very short notice. We got a variable displacement compressor here. I want to explain just a few things, then we go there. This variable displacement compressor is wrecked and it makes a lot of noise. However, this is not going to be the one we're going to be using to do this very video today, because I've actually pulled it out and it's stopped. If you see as I'm turning right now, the shaft is not turning. The shaft is holding still. But it does experience this very compressor knocking, compressor serious noise before it dies. So why a customer came to my location today on to perform a service on his car, I heard a rattling noise, and that rattling noise of the compressor goes like something which I'm going to be showing you on this very camera right now. That's why I stopped the music, so you can be able to differentiate a bad compressor noise.
And hear the noise. We're gonna wait for it to disengage. See, there is no more noise. There is no more rattling noise. When he clicks up again, I'm gonna zoom in. You can hear that, right? Let's view it from this angle. Try to click.
Now, after watching this very video here, I know the $1 million question a lot of you who have watched this very video is going to be asking is, what is the solution to this very problem? How do you resolve this problem so this will not come back again? So in my own best practice, what I've been practicing for more than a decade right now, fixing different car AC, make a model, replacement of the compressor is inevitable. Then making sure that the right quantity of materials is being added inside the system. So guys, as soon as that is done, then make sure that oil doesn't starve in the system by preventing leaks. So thanks for watching. See you on the next episode. Move it out. Get this thing out. Here we go. So you can see it right there. This glass plate, when you look at it, this glass plate here is good. This one here is plated up. This one is also good. So that's the first one. So you can see some of the silent factors, some of the factors somewhere around here. Now, replacing it without knowing exactly why it broke is not gonna make any sense. That's gonna be like making the problem to go away.